In this video, I will show you how to change your limits on Cash App in 2023. So let's jump straight into it. First, what you're going to want to do is open up Cash App on your device. And once you're logged in, what you're going to want to do first is if you click onto your profile icon, which is up here in the top right hand corner, and if you scroll down slightly, you're going to see limits. So if you actually press onto this, you're going to see your current limits for Cash App. So you can see for my example, being in the UK, I can send a maximum of £100 per month. I can also receive a maximum of £100 per month. I can have a cash balance of no more than £500 and I can cash out no more than £200 per month. So to actually go ahead and increase these limits, what you're going to want to do is try and send a bigger payment. So you can see my limit is £100 per month. So what I'm going to do is come back to here and basically put £200. Next, when I click onto pay down here, what's going to happen is going to ask me to verify my identification. So it's going to ask for some additional information to verify my account. So this is likely to include things like your full legal name. If you're in the US, then it's going to be things like the last four numbers of your social security number and things like your date of birth. You might also need to provide additional identity documents like your driver's license and proof of address. But once you've gone ahead and verified that, you'll be able to send and increase your limits on Cash App. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.